Here's the folding instructions to make a little sailboat for the sailboat blowing activity. The folding goes as follows. First, fold the paper the short way, and then again the long way. Be sure it's nicely crimped. Open it up and be sure the open side is up. At this point, the children will probably start guessing that you're making airplanes or say things. Don't enter into the conversation. So now we have a little tent or house. Then you're going to fold up the walls of the tent to the outside. So now they'll start guessing that it's a little hat or something. And then the little crease that's the 1 inch of the wall, you're going to rip just that part of it. So then it starts to look like this. And then fold it over, not all the way. In other words, not there, but just about half the way. And take a stapler and tack that together. And there you have it. Then you have the students line them up and prepare to have their sailboat race.